I first came to Swiss Biohealth in May of 2018, and I was quite desperate to find a solution because I was really ill at that point. For many years, starting around 20 years ago, when I had a number of root canals taken out and another really poor quality dental procedures that I had at that time. Since that time, for many years, I felt that my general health was really getting worse and worse. So I felt that could be directly connected to my dental issues, but it wasn't easy to find a clinic, to find a solution. I kept on asking, but with no results. Just to describe what I was experiencing at that point, first of all, a couple of months prior to my visit, I had a major stomach surgery when I was diagnosed with a really big size precancerous adenoma in my stomach that had to be extracted. Other than that, I had really bad thyroid issues, and all my hormonal panel was completely wrong, and the doctors wanted to put me on thyroid medications, which I refused to take because I'm a natural health practitioner, and I believe that it wasn't about the symptoms, but it was my general conditions and all the toxicities and the hidden infections that I might have had. As a result of my thyroid imbalances, I had the entire host of really severe conditions, including carpal tunnel syndrome in my hands. I would wake up at night and literally cry from pain, from the burning pain in my hands. I also had ongoing stomach and intestinal issues with lots of pain and dysbiosis and all kinds of intestinal distress and food allergies, inability to eat basically anything. I continuously felt very tired. I would have those moments of extreme fatigue. I wasn't able to work as before, and I had poor ability to concentrate, and it was all progressing. Also continuous neck pain and shoulder pain and just general sense of being really ill, and more so with time. As I mentioned before, my husband and I are into natural health. We have our own practice in Boulder, Colorado, and we did everything that we could to support my health, but at a point we understood that there was no way we could compensate for the dental damage. So I would say that it was a blessed moment when I was finally referred to Switzerland, and I had a 9-hour surgery with Dr. Walls when all my titanium implants that were failing with lots of infection, when they were entirely removed, and all the infections, which were so many, and the wisdom teeth cavitations were cleaned out. So it was a major undertaking, and at the same time I received 13 implants in the course of the same surgery. Basically, right after the surgery, I started feeling a major improvement, starting with my thyroid, because the symptoms, many symptoms actually disappeared right away. After the surgery, I could feel the difference even 2 or 3 days later on. Now, 6 months after the surgery, I feel that basically 90% of my symptoms have been gone entirely, and the rest 10 have practically dramatically improved during this time. So I'm here at Swiss Biohealth for the second round of my treatment, and now we are working on the bite. So I'm very positive about the further changes which include musculoskeletal condition, neck and shoulder pain, which is already almost no there, but still, obviously, there are some remaining issues. I would like to mention as well that when I repeated my hormonal blood test panel, my hormonal levels, my thyroid levels went back entirely to normal without any medication. Although the doctors and endocrinologists tried to convince me that it was absolutely necessary to take high doses of thyroid medication for this subclinical hypothyroidism condition. So again, without any medication, any medical interference or intervention, all my thyroid level hormones went totally to normal. So I'm feeling so much better, as I said, 90% back to normal, and I'm feeling that I'm on a really good way to a complete improvement. So I would like to finish this expressing my deepest gratitude to everyone here, starting with Dr. Walls and everyone. It's a phenomenal clinic, it's a phenomenal team. It's not just about a highly professional work, and I believe that there are the best doctors here. Dr. Walls himself, Dr. Shpalik, all the team whom I have been working with. It's this personal, heartfelt attitude, entire support, because all of us patients here, we go through lots and lots of emotional release as well, because these are years, if not decades, of trauma and suffering. So everyone here is extremely supportive, and the entire concept of biological health combined with biological dentistry, this is such a right thing, because again, there is this entire array of various therapies and treatments that support the patient entirely before the surgery, around the surgery, and it's a tremendous help. So if you ask me personally, I've had the best experience ever and the best results ever, and I'm extremely grateful and very, very happy that I found this place and that I'm blessed enough to experience such phenomenal results. So thank you.